Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class. We are studying accountancy, chapter 3rd, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. In the last class, we studied investment fluctuation reserve, in which there were 5 cases of decrease or increase in the value of investment. And I hope you have got it. And also I gave you homework to do the question from 3 to 9. I hope you have done it. You had 2 days for it. Now we will study today treatment of reserve when these are not to be distributed. So whenever there is written in the question that you don't have to distribute the general reserve, you don't have to distribute the P&L, partners do not want to change the book values of reserve, in all such cases you have to do the adjustment entry, because now partners do not want to distribute the reserves which are appearing in the balance sheet. So when they do not want to distribute the reserve, instead we have to do the adjustment, because gaining partner have to compensate the sacrificing partner, just like we do in case of goodwill. So we don't want to distribute the reserve, then we will have to pass the entry gaining partner capital account debit to sacrificing partner capital. Being adjustment entry pass for reserve or P&L, whatever is there in question. Now we are doing question number 29 second. Question number 29 का फर्स्ट आप लोगों ने होमवर्क में कर लिया था. सेकंड पॉइंट है जो आज हमने पढ़ा है, इसमें लिखा हुआ है when they don't want to transfer general reserve in their capital accounts and prefer to record an adjustment entry for the same. तो इतना लिखना ही काफी है कि वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करना चाहते. सो नाउ वी विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कैलकुलेट द गेनिंग एंड सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. We all know that we will subtract new ratio from old ratio, and old ratio is 3:2, new ratio is 4:3:2. There are 3 partners. C's old ratio is 0 because C is new partner. So we'll take old ratio 0 and new ratio 2/9. LCM will be 45. 27 minus 20, 7 upon 45, sacrifice, because answer is positive. In case of B, it will be 18 minus 15. Again, sacrifice, because answer is positive. C, 2/9 is negative, so it is gain. If you want to equalize the denominator, then you have to multiply it by 5 upon 5. So it is your choice if you want to make it equal, because by making it equal we get answer checked. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. It means we have done correct. Now we have to pass the journal entry for the adjustment of reserves, because in the question it is written that they don't want to transfer the general reserve in their capital accounts. So now we'll pass the journal entry. The amount of reserve is rupees 54,000. So how do we do the journal entry? We debit the gaining partner. Gaining partner is C. And sacrificing partners will be credited to A's capital account, to B's capital account. Okay, amount is rupees 54,000. 54,000 multiply 10 upon 45. 54,000 multiply 7 upon 45. 54,000 multiply 3 upon 45. So it will be 12,000 and 8,400 and 3 upon 45, 3,600, being adjustment entry passed for reserve, general reserve. In this way we do the question when partners do not want to distribute the reserve. Now question number 30, we have the balance of P&L account. In question number 31, we have two balances. Question number 30 you have to do yourself. Question number 30 is your homework. Question number 31, in question number 31, we have two types of balances. First is profit and loss account and second is advertisement suspense account. Profit and loss account rupees 24,000 and advertisement suspense account rupees 12,000. So in this question we have to make necessary adjusting entry, and P&L account is profit and advertisement suspense account is loss, and we have to pass a single journal entry for this adjustment. So we will calculate the adjustable amount. Because we want to pass only one single journal entry for both of these amounts together. So we will add both of it, and surely we will take advertisement suspense in negative. P&L 24,000 and advertisement suspense minus 12,000. So final amount of adjustment will be 12,000. Now we will calculate the gaining and sacrificing ratio. Old ratio is 5:3:2, new ratio is 2:3:5. Gain sacrifice is equal to old minus new. It will be sacrifice because answer is positive. B's answer is 0. So it means there is no gain, no sacrifice. इसकी entry नहीं होगी. C will be negative. So C is gaining and A is sacrificing. Now we will pass the journal entry by debiting C and crediting A. You got it? By this amount. Again, I am repeating because in this question there are 2 points. First is profit and loss account and second is advertisement suspense account. Ratio is being changed and they decided to record the effect of the following without affecting book values. It is written in the question. You must have read. So we are doing the total of these two amounts for passing a single journal entry because they do not want to affect the book values. And also we have calculated the gaining and sacrificing ratio. So as we all know, C's capital account will be debited and A's capital account will be credited because C is gaining and A is sacrificing. And what was the ratio? Ratio was 3 by 10. 3 by 10 into 12,000 and 3 by 10 multiply 12,000. So it will be 3,600 for C and 3,600 for A. Being adjustment made for P&L and advertisement suspense. So we did it together by taking both together. So we have to do like this always. Now read question number 32A. A, B, C, D are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. They decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:3. For this purpose, goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 1,50,000. There was also a reserve of rupees 60,000 in the books. Find out sacrifice ratio and gaining ratio and pass necessary journal entry assuming that reserve is not to be distributed. So in the question it is written that reserve is not to be distributed. So there will be adjustment entry for reserve. And also we know that for goodwill we also do the adjustment entry gaining to sacrifice. So for adjusting both goodwill and reserve we have to do gaining and sacrifice, and also it is written in the question that we have to pass a journal entry. So in this question also we will add both of the amount and then do the adjustment entry. For goodwill also we do gaining to sacrifice, and for reserve also we do the same gaining to sacrifice. So we will add both of them. Goodwill, it is question number 32A. Goodwill is 60,000. No, 1,50,000. And reserve is 60,000. Total adjustable amount 2,10,000. Now we will calculate gaining and sacrificing ratio by subtracting new ratio from the old ratio. Old ratio is 2:2:1. 2/6, 2/6, 1/6, 1/6. And new ratio is 3:2:3. LCM will be 30. So it will be 10 minus 9, 1/30 sacrifice. B, LCM 30, 10 minus 6, 4/30 sacrifice. In case of C, also LCM is 30 and 5 minus 6, 1/30 gain. And in case of D I am doing upward. Okay, we can do it here. LCM will be 30. Okay, let me erase it. So it is done. You can look, sacrifice is also 1 and 4, 5, and gaining is also 1 and 4, 5. It means it is correct. Now we will pass adjustment entry for it. C and D is gaining and A and B are sacrificing. So C's capital account debit is D's capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital. D's gaining ratio was 4/30. C's gaining ratio was 1/30 multiplied by 2,10,000. So it will be 70,000, 7,000. And for D, it will be 28,000. For A, the ratio was 1/30 sacrifice. So it will be 7,000. And for B, 4/30, 28,000. Narration will be same, being adjustment passed for goodwill and reserve. I hope you understand that it was same as 31. Now question number 32B and question number 33. These are also of the same type that you have to do in your homework. So you have to do today question number 30, 32B and 33. Okay, and also you have to do question number 10 and 11. So do homework. You have gap tomorrow, so you can do it easily. Do ask me if there is any problem in any question. Be free to ask me. Just post your question in the group. I will surely answer it between the time 10 and 12 tomorrow. Have a good day. Thank you.